guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I'm gonna do the homemade Mod Podge. This is my mixture, and I already have my brush in there right now. I just put it in there. So this is my mixture. This is the consistency. I don't know if you guys like smooth, thick pancake batter. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna Mod Podge the entire thing. I know that a lot of professional crafters have their drying tool. My drying tool, as for right now, is my blow dryer. Works just fine. So for now, that's what I'm using. So just take enough for one section. And actually, it would be smarter to tape it back. Just a little bit. And this is the final touch. I'm gonna just fast forward this. You guys sit back and enjoy the show.
Perfect.
In the morning, I'm going to show you guys how it turns out, and then we can conclude this video and we can move on to the next fun stuff that I have prepared for you guys. So, see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. This is the second half of faux leather journal cover. And so this is what it turns out. You can see the shine that it has. You see the like leathery kind of wrinkle that it maintained. And then when touching this, it is super smooth. It feels very smooth and slippery. So let me see if I could show you up close. So you can see all those colors. You see a little bit of that peach. It's very subtle, but you see it almost looks a little marble, like marbleized. And I also want to show you, I have some of the, oh yeah, I have my paint preserved here in aluminum foil. I also wanted to show you this is a journal, junk journal. Let's just make believe we're gonna cover it with this. And so, let's see. Sorry, my camera keeps on moving. So, I'm gonna flip this over. This is what the inside of it looks like. And let's just make believe for a second. Now I fold it and it feels very sturdy, very strong. That's why I put a lot, because I feel like the more you put, the more preserved it'll be, the less chance of tear it will have. Now this is, I would have to cut the corners and do everything. This is just to experiment with this. This is just as an experiment. This is obviously too small for this, but Let's just make believe the junk journal is big enough. Look at this. Now I have like, sorry, you see big sleeves right now. I'm like halfway out the door, but I wanted to just show you guys this morning how this happened. And so part 1 of this video I recorded yesterday and part 2 is today. So but I'm posting part 1 and 2 both today. So part 1's a little late. But yeah, this is what we came up with. And this is hand painted. So yeah, you know, it takes a little more time and effort than to just like paint the whole thing, which might be easier, or I don't know. I think this way it just looks a lot more detailed and there's a lot more art involved, mixing the right colors and getting a nice balance of the colors. And so this is a beautiful abstract vibe. And then there's some spaces in there that don't have any painting, but I really love that too. So I didn't want to toil with that either. I think it adds to the whole thing. But yeah, so that is that. Thank you guys so much for watching and for your support. Please stay tuned for the next video, and like, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to click on the notification bell, because a lot of my subscribers have been telling me that they have not been receiving their video notifications. So I've told some people, we'll just turn it off and then turn it back on, and they told me that that worked. So just give that a try. I will be mentioning the giveaway every video until I give the giveaway. Yes, I have a giveaway. I'm going to put the link in the description. I'm trying to get to 300 subscribers before Christmas so that I can give you guys my giveaway prize. So check the link so you can see what prize that is. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.